Hello dear friends, here I'll be showing you how to see your Facebook password. Okay, so first you need to make sure you have an internet connection, and then you open up your Facebook app just like this. You tap at the three lines by the top right corner and scroll up, tap on settings and privacy, and then you click on settings. Here you tap on account center. Here you scroll up and tap on password and security and click on saved login. Okay, so right here you can see that there's no way to see your Facebook password inside Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to see your Facebook password out of Facebook. Okay, so before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you'll always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so to see your Facebook password, you need to open your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. And then click at the three dots by the top right corner. Scroll up and tap on settings. And you can see passwords. After search engine, click on passwords. Okay, so you can see I have a lot of passwords here. I'm going to search for my Facebook password. I've seen my Facebook. I'm just going to tap on it. So here you'll be seeing your Facebook username and password. Okay, to see your Facebook password, you just need to tap on the eyes icon, put in your PIN or use a fingerprint, and then you can be able to see your Facebook password. Okay.